I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Seasonal highs in the mid-80s to the low 90s, likely to continue all the way through Wednesday. A few thunderstorms are possible over central and western Nebraska, as well as northern Kansas, late tonight through tomorrow when a disturbance slides to the southeast. Most of the weekend is dry as a ridge of high pressure strengthens across the western U.S. A series of disturbances moving over that high-pressure ridge and sliding southeast through our region leads to multiple low-end chances of thunderstorms late Sunday through Wednesday. That general pattern looks to continue in our long-term forecast. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are likely to be slightly warmer than normal Tuesday through the first 6 days of the Nebraska State Fair or through August 28th. Mostly near normal rainfall is predicted Tuesday through August 28th in Nebraska and Kansas. Slightly better chances of rain are predicted the middle of next week, and chances decrease by late next week through the 28th. In the latest regional drought monitor, Nebraska decreased a percentage point to 51% drought-free. Most of the central and east, along with areas north of North Platte, are drought-free. Abnormal dryness to moderate drought is found southwest of North Platte. Many areas along the Nebraska-Kansas border, much of the Panhandle to Cherry County, and southeast of O'Neill. Severe drought continues in Sioux County of the Northwest Panhandle. Kansas increased 3 percentage points to 10% drought-free. Drought-free to abnormally dry areas are found in much of the east and southwest part of Kansas. Moderate to severe drought is over much of the northwest, central, far southeast, and an area surrounding Grant County in southwest Kansas. Key weather factors influencing the markets include mild temperatures with some rain in the Corn Belt this week, uncertainty with temperatures in the plains next week, and the South American spring starting colder and dry. Additional rainfall with a cold front in the Midwest should total 1 to 3 inches, mainly from the Mississippi Valley eastward. Record-setting heat persists well into next week in the south central U.S., including southern areas of the plains. Hot weather also extends eastward into the Gulf Coast states with oppressive humidity. Cooler than normal temperatures cover the Corn Belt, maintaining generally favorable conditions for Midwestern corn and soybeans. Cooler air stays east of the Mississippi next week. Forecast models, though, disagree about the temperatures next week in the plains, but it should be at least slightly warmer than normal, with the ridge of high pressure covering most of the west and central U.S. The exception is rain moving through the northern plains and Canadian prairies next week. It's also uncertain if the rains make it very far south or east. In southern Brazil, areas of frost this week might have slightly damaged more advanced wheat in Parana and Rio Grande do Sul. Towards Argentina, colder temperatures and a lack of rain have also been unfavorable for the wheat crop. With corn and soybean planting not too far off, most of Brazil and Argentina are likely to wait until better chances of rain the end of next month. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.